Electronic warfare systems in fighter jets are fascinating examples of cutting-edge technology. These systems are designed to disrupt enemy radar and communications, ensuring our pilots maintain the upper hand in combat. At the heart of these systems is advanced signal processing, which allows jets to detect, analyze, and counteract threats in real time. But what's truly revolutionary is the integration of artificial intelligence. AI algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and predicting enemy actions faster than any human could. This capability not only enhances situational awareness but also automates countermeasures, allowing pilots to focus on mission objectives rather than getting bogged down by complex electronic threats. As technology students, understanding these systems opens up a world of possibilities in defense innovation and cybersecurity. The future of aerial combat is not just about speed and firepower, it's about intelligence, both human and artificial.